Let's create this amazing documentary map effect. I have this map image and you'll find its link in the video description. Go to stock media and from the solid color section, drag any color onto the timeline. Zoom in on the timeline a bit, then drag the map above it and match the duration. Now select the pen tool. We need to decide the locations and draw a line. As you can see, I have added a slightly curved line here, which we will adjust a bit more. Take your time and keep adjusting until the line is drawn perfectly. Move the pointer to the start. You can use any preset from here according to your preference and simply make basic adjustments like size, color and radius. In trim path, enable a keyframe on end and set its value to 0. Move a few seconds forward and change end to 100. I think a neon dash line will look better here and I'll set its color to blue. Go to stickers and search for pulse. I will drag this red circle because it fits perfectly. Extend the duration of these layers as needed. Then adjust the size according to the location. Press Alt key and duplicate it to upper layer. Then place this at other end of the line. To create a bit of contrast, I'll match the line color with this dot reddish type. For extra detail, add a default title layer. Go to Advanced and type your text. I'm using the font Gotham Bold and applying a shadow with slightly low values. Go to Animation, click on Mask and Reveal and select Fade 1. Adjust its size according to your layout for a clean look, then hit Apply. Duplicate the title layer, replace with another text, and place it at the second point of the line. Now select all these layers except the background and make them a compound clip. Ensuring the resolution should be 4K, now comes the main process. Keyframing. Move the pointer to the start and enable keyframe on transform. Forward about 15 frames, increase the scale and adjust the position so the first location is centered. Move 12 frames forward and add another keyframe. At 1.23 seconds, increase the Y position to create a view that follows the downline. Then go to 3.18 seconds and increase X until you get the desired result. Check a quick preview. It looks good, but to make it perfect, we'll smooth the keyframes. Open the keyframe panel and follow these steps carefully. Select the first two keyframes and set them to ease out. No need to changes in height. Click on position X and set the next two keyframes to ease out. Then do the same for the last two. Now click position Y and apply ease out to those pairs as well. You can manually tweak the graph if you want, but it's not necessary. The movement is now perfect. Let's add some subtle effects. In the effects section, drag noise map and set the values to 100, 3 and 30. Finally, add vignette radius and increase duration accordingly. Set its opacity to 20% and done. Check the final result. You can enhance it further with suitable sound effects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.